Budapest, Hungarian, is the capital and most populous city of Hungary. It is the 9th largest city in the European Union by population within city limits and the 2nd largest city on the Danube River. The city has an estimated population of 1,752,286 over a land area of about 525 square kilometers. Budapest, which is both a city and county, forms the center of the Budapest metropolitan area, which has an area of 7,626 square kilometers and a population of 3,303,786. It is a primate city, constituting 33% of the population of Hungary. The history of Budapest began when an early Celtic settlement transformed into the Roman town of Aquincum, the capital of Lower Pannonia. The Hungarians arrived in the territory in the late 9th century, but the area was pillaged by the Mongols in 1241-42. Re-established Buda became one of the centers of Renaissance humanist culture by the 15th century. The Battle of Mohacs in 1526 was followed by nearly 150 years of Ottoman rule. After the reconquest of Buda in 1686, the region entered a new age of prosperity, with Pest Buda becoming a global city after the unification of Buda, Óbuda and Pest on November 17, 1873, with the name Budapest given to the new capital. Budapest also became the co-capital of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, a great power that dissolved in 1918. Following World War I, the city was the focal point of the Hungarian Revolution of 1848, the Battle of Budapest in 1945, as well as the Hungarian Revolution of 1956. Budapest is a global city with strengths in commerce, finance, media, art, fashion, research, technology, education, and entertainment. Hungary's financial center. It is the second richest capital and city in the region after Bucharest. Budapest is the headquarters of the European Institute of Innovation and Technology, the European Police College and the first foreign office of the China Investment Promotion Agency. Over 40 colleges and universities are located in Budapest, including Jevus Lorand University, Corvinus University, Semmelweis University, University of Veterinary Medicine Budapest and the Budapest University of Technology and Economics. Opened in 1896, the city's subway system, the Budapest Metro, serves 1.27 million, while the Budapest tram network serves 1.08 million passengers daily. The central area of Budapest along the Danube River is classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and has several notable monuments of classical architecture, including the Hungarian Parliament and the Buda Castle. The city also has around 80 geothermal springs, the largest thermal water cave system, 2nd largest synagogue, and 3rd largest parliament building in the world. Budapest attracts around 12 million international tourists per year, making it a highly popular destination in Europe.
Thank you very much.
The Hungarian cuisine and cafe culture can be seen and tasted in a lot of places, like Gerbo Cafe, the Zazivs, Biarritz, Fortuna, Alabardos, Arany Zarvas, Carpathia and the world-famous Matyas Pants restaurants and beer bars. There are Roman remains at the Aquincum Museum and historic furniture at the Nagytatni Castle Museum, just 2 out of 223 museums in Budapest. Another historical museum is the House of Terror, hosted in the building that was the venue of the Nazi headquarters. The Castle Hill, the River Danube embankments and the whole of Andrussi UT have been officially recognized as UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Castle Hill and the Castle District. There are 3 churches here, 6 museums, and a host of interesting buildings, streets, and squares. The former royal palace is one of the symbols of Hungary and has been the scene of battles and wars ever since the 13th century. Nowadays it houses 2 museums and the National Székely Library. The nearby Sándor Palace contains the offices and official residence of the President of Hungary. The 700-year-old Matthias Church is one of the jewels of Budapest. It is in neo-Gothic style, decorated with colored shingles and elegant pinnacles. Next to it is an equestrian statue of the first king of Hungary, King Saint Stephen, and behind that is the Fisherman's Bastion, built in 1905 by the architect Frigyes Schilek. The Fisherman's Bastion owes its name to the namesake corporation that during the Middle Ages was responsible of the defense of this part of ramparts, from where opens out a panoramic view of the whole city. Statues of the Turul, the mythical guardian bird of Hungary, can be found in both the Castle District and the 12th District.
Thank you.